Welcome to the best picks. The Best Tweak D by Nature is probably one of the most exciting haircare brands out there, offering a fantastic range of products designed to transform your hair. Infused with organic ingredients, these products promise to nourish and hydrate, catering to a variety of hair types and concerns. Whether you're battling dryness, damage, or simply looking to enhance your natural beauty, Tweak D by Nature has something for everyone. Number 5. Tweaked by Nature Restore Shampoo. Introducing the Tweaked by Nature Restore Shampoo. This shampoo is ultra moisturizing, perfect for dry and damaged hair. It will leave your hair shiny and incredibly soft. This hydrating formula creates a rich lather that gently cleanses and moisturizes. It won't weigh your hair down or strip away natural oils. The result is smooth, soft hair with a healthy shine. We focus on natural ingredients. This product is free of SLS, parabens, phthalates, and petrolatum. It's also cruelty-free, honoring the integrity of each plant for amazing results. Formulated with Datello seed oil from the Himalayas, this shampoo repairs and strengthens hair. It provides transformative hair health and protects against damage. You'll love how it makes your hair feel. This shampoo is designed for all hair types and reduces breakage by 82%. It gently removes impurities while treating dry, damaged, and brittle hair. Plus, it features our signature vanilla amber scent. Simply apply the shampoo to wet hair and massage, focusing on the roots. Work it through to the ends and rinse thoroughly. Enjoy the revitalized feeling of your hair. What we like. This shampoo is designed to gently cleanse and moisturize without weighing your hair down. It leaves your hair smooth, soft, and with a healthy shine. If you are looking for a daily shampoo that strengthens and nourishes your hair while being gentle, you should consider this one. What people say. Takes away frizzy hair. No hair static. Together they clean my hair, leaving it soft and fuller looking. Makes my hair feel thicker, smoother, and more body. Number 4. Tweaked by Nature Restore Hair Treatment. This innovative formula acts as a cleanser, shampoo, conditioner, detangler, and shine enhancer. It repairs dry, damaged hair, leaving it silky soft and full of shine. It's a multitasking product that simplifies your hair care routine. The product is made with ingredients from nature and is free of SLS, parabens, phthalates, and petrolatum. It's also cruelty-free, respecting the integrity of each plant. You can feel good about what you're putting on your hair. Formulated with Datello seed oil, sustainably harvested from the Himalayas, this treatment repairs and strengthens hair. It provides transformative hair health and protects against damage. Your hair will thank you for the nourishment. It's proven to reduce breakage and increase shine. This treatment gently removes impurities while treating dry, damaged hair. It also features a signature vanilla amber scent, leaving your hair smelling amazing. Apply it to dry hair, focusing on mid-lengths to ends, and leave for 1 to 3 minutes. Then, massage for a minute before rinsing. For best results, use it once or twice a week. It's a simple step for healthier hair. What we like. This innovative product acts as a cleanser, shampoo, conditioner, detangler, and shine enhancer all in one. It repairs dry, damaged hair, leaving it silky soft and radiant. If you like a multitasking product that simplifies your routine and delivers multiple benefits, you should consider this. What people say. It dries with less frizziness and hair looks healthy. My hair comes out silky soft and shiny, even after blow drying. I apply it to my damp hair, style it and let it dry naturally. Love the smell, and after it's dry, I can brush through my hair with no stiffness, but the style holds better. Number 3. Tweaked by Nature Restore Cleansing Hair Treatment. Tired of a complicated hair care routine? This revolutionary product simplifies everything. It acts as a shampoo, conditioner, detangler, and more, leaving your hair smooth and strong. Experience up to 94% less breakage after just one use. It also enhances your hair's natural shine by 75%. This treatment repairs and protects your hair, making it radiant. This product uses ethically sourced ingredients and is free from SLS, and parabens. It's also cruelty-free, carrying the Leaping Bunny certification. Powered by organic Datello seed oil from the Himalayas, it deeply repairs and protects your hair. It creates a protective barrier against environmental stressors. This lightweight, non-greasy formula nourishes and protects every strand. It leaves your hair soft, manageable, and residue-free. Enjoy the soothing scent during your wash. What we like. This product is a revolutionary 5-in-1 solution that simplifies your hair care routine. It's clinically proven to reduce breakage and enhance shine. If you have damaged hair and want a single product to replace multiple steps, you should consider this. What people say. It doesn't foam up at all when rubbed into your hair and scalp, but if left in your hair for a few minutes, then rinsed out, your hair will be unbelievably conditioned, clean, and sleek. I use this as a setting treatment. I apply it to my damp hair, style it and let it dry naturally. Love the smell, and after it's dry, I can brush through my hair with no stiffness, but the style holds better. Tweaked by Nature is a great shampoo conditioner. It has made my hair feel much less dry and brittle. I love that you don't have to use a conditioner and my hair stays clean for days longer than with other shampoos. Number 2. Tweaked by Nature Restore Hydrating Treatment Balm. Is your hair feeling dry and damaged? This treatment balm is designed to help. It will restore your hair's natural moisture and shine. This is the Tweaked by Nature Restore Hydrating Treatment Balm. It's a 3 fluid ounces balm specifically formulated for dry and damaged hair. It will bring your hair back to life. This balm deeply hydrates your hair. The balm helps to repair and protect your hair from further damage. The balm works to restore your hair's natural beauty. It leaves your hair feeling soft, smooth, and revitalized. Get the Tweaked by Nature Restore Hydrating Treatment Balm today. It comes in a convenient 3 fluid ounces size. Try it now. What we like. This hydrating treatment balm is specifically designed for dry and damaged hair. It provides intense moisture and helps restore the health of your hair. If you are looking for a deep conditioning treatment to revive your dry, damaged hair, you should consider this. What people say. This hair balm leaves such a wonderful shine and scent to my hair. It's lightweight and smooths my hair and flyaways after I air dry or use curling iron flat iron. I've used a lot of high-end products and this is definitely the best one I've used. Use this to get type hair as healthy as possible. Use a pea-sized amount, rub into hair. Now your hair is tangle-free and soft. Number 1. Tweaked by Nature Rise and Shine Shampoo and Conditioner. This is the Rise and Shine Volumizing and Thickening Shampoo and Conditioner Set. It's designed to give your hair a boost of volume and a healthy shine. The set includes both shampoo and conditioner for a complete hair care routine. This duo cleanses and moisturizes your hair and scalp without weighing them down. The shampoo and conditioner work together to leave your hair feeling smooth and tangle-free. You'll love the healthy volume it provides. We focus on natural ingredients, and this set is cruelty-free. It's formulated without SLS, SLES, parabens, phthalates, or petrolatum. We believe in honoring the integrity of each plant for the best results. The shampoo features Rassel lava clay from the Atlas Mountains. This clay removes excess oil and dirt, giving your hair weightless volume and lift at the roots. It's a clean and balanced approach to hair care. This set is proven to increase volume by 97%. It hydrates and protects, instantly treating limp and dull hair. It also features a refreshing bamboo matcha green tea scent. Apply the shampoo to wet hair, focusing on the roots, and rinse thoroughly. Then, apply the conditioner, concentrating on the mid-shafts to the ends. Leave it in for 1 to 3 minutes before rinsing for best results. What we like. This set is a clarifying shampoo and dual-action conditioner designed for fine hair. It cleanses and moisturizes without weighing your hair down, leaving it with healthy volume and a smooth, tangle-free finish. If you like a product that adds volume and makes your hair easy to manage, you should consider this. What people say. Each time I've washed with it, it seems like my hair has gotten better, more useful feeling and looking, and more shiny and more manageable. This seems to give it body. I think I will buy the larger version when I run out. This shampoo doesn't strip your hair and the conditioner doesn't weigh it down. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.